Alright folks, so earlier today we tried out Grok 4.5 for coding, and to be honest, I don't think it's that good. I think much guidance is needed for using Grok 4.5 to produce an output that you really like. But what we do find out is that Grok 4.5 is really fast and really cheap, so it has an edge in research. And what better way to do research than using Hermes Agent? So now Grok 4.5 is available in Hermes Agent. You can access it through 4 different ways. You can go for the news portal subscription, or if you have X Premium Plus or Super Grok, you can use that. Or if you have an XAI API key, you can go for that. Or if you have Open Router key, you can go for that. So for us, we have X Premium Plus, so we're going to be using this one. And I think out of the 4 methods, X Premium Plus is better because it's OAuth and it's included as part of the weekly Super Grok limit. And so far, we've done a lot of research. Only 5% of our weekly limits have been used. So in this video, we'll just briefly explain why Grok 4.5 can be the next brain for your X research pipelines for your Hermes agent. And we'll quickly show you how to set that up as well. All right, so if you want to try out Grok 4.5, make the Hermes update and then run Hermes model. From here, if you're going for the news portal subscription, this one here is your choice, but every request you make gets charged to your usage plans. So for us, we're using the XAI Grok OAuth. And if this is your first time doing it, it will give you an OAuth link, and all you have to do is just click that link, authenticate with your X account if you have X Premium Plus, and then you're good to go. So here we have Grok 4.5 ready, and what we really want to be leveraging is the X Twitter search tool that is built in your Hermes agent. So you don't have to use Grok 4.5 to use this tool. As long as you have OAuth configured or any XAI API key or Open Router key configured to your Hermes setup, your model can call on this tool with any models that you use. But why Grok 4.5 makes the most out of this X search tool is because of the way that it was trained. So of course it has X native judgment. It understands the slangs, the quote tweet dramas, the signals versus engagement bait. Grok 4.5 has a better feel for that compared to the other frontier models. So I'd say filtering for keywords and news is where Grok 4.5 is strong at. But if you want like a very nice, well-written report, comprehensive deep research, Grok 4.5 is still not there. I think GPT 5.5 or Opus 4.8, not to mention Fable 5, can do a lot better than that. But in order to write a high-quality research report, you need the right sources. So Grok 4.5, basically how I see it is that they're highly trained in filtering X queries. They have better first queries and better search again with tighter handles and dates. So here what we can do is we can start off with something broad. So let's say you want to catch up on what's going on in AI over the past 24 hours. So search on X what's trending in AI over the past 24 hours. And what you really want to see is the X search tool being invoked. So that took about 33 seconds. It was a very broad prompt, but it pretty much captured what is hot over the past 24 hours. Grok 4.5 launch. And this is interesting. What is this? Microsoft cutting OpenAI Anthropic dependence. Oh, I actually didn't know about this. Microsoft starting to replace OpenAI and Anthropic with its own My model. Good luck with that. All right, so far, this kind of prompt is very similar to how you would look at today's news on your X account. So if you have something like this, X has an algorithm that compiles the most talked about keywords and summarize them into a news for you to read. So that's the sort of approach that you can go for. Let's see if it can find other news. What about the MuseSpark image? Okay, it's searching on X. All right, so there we go. Our Hermes agent clarifying that people are mixing 2 related meta products. There's MuseSpark and then there's Muse image. So yesterday, Muse image claimed number 2 spot in the image arena, which is actually pretty impressive. They're not that far behind. Actually, maybe they're still far behind GPT image 2. This is still the GOAT of image models, but it certainly surpassed Nano Banana 2. So my agent was able to capture that found all of the tweets. And this is the easiest way that you can use Grok 4.5 for your Hermes agent. Now, if you want to take it a step further, if you have a pipeline built out already with an agent in the orchestrator loop, what you can do is have the orchestrator agent be Grok 4.5. If you haven't seen the video I talked about this afternoon, basically I have this project where my agent scrapes X for all of the AI related news. You can see it's able to capture a lot more, but I think this can be done better with Grok 4.5 being the brain. So right now it's using Minimax M3 as the brain. And yes, to go back to this one, Sonnet 4.5 is because, you know, according to the tier level, it defaults to this one. So it's just rerouting the request to Minimax M3, overriding the base URL to point to Minimax Anthropic. So what I'm thinking right now is instead of Minimax M3, it would be a hell of a lot better to use Grok 4.5 to orchestrate this task because they have better capabilities for X queries and filtering out news versus irrelevant tweets like, you know, life updates, memes, jokes, all that. All I want is the news. And a lot of the models, if you don't specify very well, they, you know, they pretty much capture all of the tweets, even their irrelevant ones. But even if you have that down to the line, it's still not perfect for other models to do filtering tasks like this one. So we're definitely going to update you guys on the progress of this one using Grok 4.5 as the brain. So that's pretty much it. I'd say Grok 4.5 with Hermes Agent, if your pipeline involves a lot of X related tasks, maybe scraping, maybe news aggregation, maybe even just tweet fetches from account watch lists. I think using Grok 4.5 is certainly have a good edge compared to other models. So as you can see, it was pretty fast too. This one took 36 seconds. This one was 33. Usually it would take about like 1 or 2 minutes using other models to use the X search tool, but Grok 4.5 cuts that down by more than half. Maybe the speed might not be noticeable for you, but if you have a really heavy research task, you will definitely notice the difference. So if you find this video helpful, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is Ron. Shana now.